You know when you have makeup on and you need to blow your nose, but you can't. It's my struggle right now. Oh my gosh, earlier I sneezed and I felt it like exit my nostril. And I was like, ew! And then I like got up and I had to go blow my nose and it was a lot.
That's gross. I love how you make that.
Thanks, baby. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am a little nasally, a little sick. It's fine. I really wanted to film today. I feel like I go through waves of like just being super freaking lazy, and then I'm like, all right, let's get everything done in like 2 days, and then I like get super lazy again. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Heaven. Today we are doing a current favorites. I don't even know like where to start. I think I'm just gonna talk about stuff that I've really been enjoying lately. So this is just gonna be a super random video, but I really wanted to film something for you guys. So if you guys didn't know, I've been breaking out for the past, I think, over a year now, almost 2 years now, and you can't even tell. I mean, you could see the scarring and everything, especially when I don't have makeup on. There's like a lot of like acne scarring, but let me freaking tell you, these two babies, get it. I recently switched my like whole skincare routine. I think what happened was all throughout high school, I didn't break out, and then after high school, I think 2 years ago, I took out my birth control, and then I basically started a new one, and then I stopped. I basically got my hormones, okay? So I started breaking out so bad. Like my skin was doing terribly, my hair was doing terribly. I remember I went to go get my hair done, and she couldn't bleach my hair because it was so like fragile. It was like a shocker to both of us because we've never had this issue, and I've been going to her for years. I freaked out, obviously, and then I changed my whole skincare, but these two babies are literally my favorite. So this one is the
Roche. Wait a minute. Get you some of this Roche-Posay. All right, I got it for real now because I looked it up. Apparently, it's Roche-Posay.
Roche-Posay Effaclar Adapalene Gel Acne Treatment. I feel like when I started to use this one is when I noticed the big difference, because literally I had a really good skincare routine right before I changed to this one. Not doing anything fast enough for my skin. These two things, that's really when I noticed a difference. Go get shoes on. Yeah, I would show you guys pictures, but it's like literally so bad. I don't even want to talk about it. I really love this. I have literally like the basis that they have. They're doing the game for me right now. They're doing the things. This is my favorite for clearing up my acne, which then comes in this product, which is my second favorite. Skincare wise is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. This one is my second bottle. I love her. With this taking care of my acne, I did have a lot of acne scars, and I still do, but ever since I started using, I don't know if it's this or this, but this duo, I guess, my scarring has gotten so much better, and my acne has been a lot more manageable. Before, I would just break out in flares, freak out, and get super insecure and not know what to do. But yeah, I've just been really into these two items. I feel like they've made such a difference in my skincare and getting back to myself again. Oh my gosh, there's just so much that happened. Yeah, it was just a lot. I can talk about that in another video. Let me know. I can do a skincare routine too if you guys want. I think I'm a little bit less insecure about it now. But I know it's normal, so it's a natural thing. It's fine. Moving on. Lotion. This is my all-time favorite lotion. Growing up, I hated lotion. I literally hated it because it would make me feel so sticky, gross. I just wasn't a fan. Would I still use it? Yes, but I wasn't a fan until I started getting older, and I was like, oh, I can buy my own things. So then I got this one. I only get this at Target. I don't know where else to get it, and this lasts me so freaking long, but it's the coconut oil formula by Palmer's. What I like about this, it's paraben, phthalate, and dye-free, which is really good. Yeah, I use this on my arms, my legs, my hands, you know, lotion things. It's literally this big bottle for like under $20, I think. Yeah, this is my favorite lotion. It doesn't leave that like weird, greasy feeling that I hate. So okay, let's move on to makeup. I usually clean my makeup before I show it to you guys, but I really don't care. This has been my favorite foundation for the past couple years, and I don't know if I've ever talked about it yet, but this is the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation by Urban Decay. This is the one thing I really splurge on. The rest of my makeup is like cheap, and I've tried other foundations and they just don't do it for me. Like I've tried to go back to my old favorite drugstore foundations, but it's just not it. This is probably one of the most expensive things in my makeup bag, my foundation, but I don't mind because I love the way it looks and it doesn't feel cakey. It really doesn't crease. I don't wear makeup every single day anymore, especially to work. I don't wear makeup at all. So when I do wear makeup, I can really feel the makeup on my skin now. Oh, the trash people here. Wow, that's kind of loud. Why is no one talking about this? I have no idea. Okay. Hello?
What you doing?
I'm filming a video.
What's up? Good deals.
Anyway, what was I talking about? I think I was already on my next thing. Let's move on. I guess this is my all-time favorite. This is my coffee. Surprise, surprise. As you guys know, I don't work as a barista anymore. I work at a coffee shop, and I brought home coffee addiction with me, which already was a thing partially before I started working there, and then became a really big thing after. Literally in the morning I get like coffee withdrawals. The addiction is real. Yes, Kay goes through it every morning with me. I'm literally dead. During the pandemic, I had bought an espresso machine. Barely used it, obviously, because I was working at the coffee shop. But now that I don't work there anymore, it's literally my favorite thing ever. I just get like a whole pound of beans from Pete's Coffee. I don't know why I like their beans a lot, but I do. And then oat milk, brown sugar, and cinnamon. And I make myself a latte in the morning, and I'm good. Like, that's all I need in the morning, and it's great. It's literally my favorite because number one, I don't have to leave my house to order coffee. Whenever I order coffee outside, it's like $9 now. Like, what? Why? That's like half of the price of my full pound of beans that lasts me a month. What is going on? What are we putting in our coffee? And why is it $9? It's literally my favorite, and I can make it as many times as I want if I want to. I only try to limit myself to 1 cup a day though, which is really good because when I was a barista, I would drink way too much coffee. So we're doing really well. This is your sign if you want the espresso machine to go get it, because why are we paying so much for coffee? It's like, I just don't understand. Last thing is this book, and it's so raggedy because I literally carry it everywhere. Almost done with this book. I've had this book for, I don't even know how long, maybe 2 years. That's my thing. I go to the store and I buy the books and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna read them, and then I never read them. This is one of my favorites. I don't know why I got this version of it. Like, there's like this weird piece that's coming out of the book that wasn't cut properly. I don't know. I get comments on this book all the time whenever I'm like out and carrying it. Obviously, Atomic Habits. This is one of my favorite books right now. I'm finishing this one, and then I have so many other books to read, and I'm super excited. My friend Cheyenne also bought me a book, so I might read that one next. Really glad to be back into my like reading self again, because I used to read a lot in like middle school and a little bit in high school, and I just forgot how fun it was to read. I feel like we're always on social media, so I like to detox with reading before bed most likely, or usually I read before bed. It's like an easy read. It's basically stories, and then it's like, oh, this, by the way, is this and that. It's relatable. I was reading one book and I was like, oh, read this book, and I read it and I was like, I need to sit here and like think about what I'm reading. I can't just like read this before bed because I'm half asleep. But this one I really enjoy reading before bed. That concludes my current favorites video. Let me know if you guys like this style of videos where it's like really organic and I'm just kind of blabbering, or more like sit down, I know what the heck I'm talking about, everything is straight to the point. This video was actually requested by my followers on Instagram. I always do Instagram polls on my stories and everything to see what videos you guys want to see next. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and you guys can vote on there for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.